You ever had one of those moments where you open your RV door and your furry friend here tries to audition for Fast and Furious puppy edition? If you are a pet owner and you have an RV or a house, you've likely experienced that same thing. Some time ago, I did a review on this playpen, this quick setup playpen here, 16 panels. Today, I'm going to talk to you about this piece that goes behind the step here to make it more secure for your furry friends. Can't get out. It's like Fort Knox without the hassle. It doesn't matter if it's a tall step, short step, wide step, whatever else. It fits most RVs out there in the world today. If you have to leave a gap, and your short and small animals could escape very easily underneath your RV doorstep. Now they're all blocked off. If you get the standard playpens, it comes with two easy access doors. I have personally set mine up, one here to get to my vehicles and one there to get out to the yard. But they're foldable, easily storable. But whether you're at a campground or a roadside stop, this playpen and this step here make a nice addition to your camping needs for all of you out there with furry friends. It allows your pets to play outside exactly where you want them. You can get yours at the links down below. This FXW RV step and playpen, because your pet deserves the adventure, not the jailbreak. Good morning, Mike. Piper's generally very good, but sometimes she sees a squirrel and wants to go after it. That's where this wonderful adjustable quick setup playpen comes into play. I reviewed this some time ago, put it up at our campsite. Really loved the situation, but there was a flaw. Not really a flaw, just a missing feature. The steps here, there was always a way to get out from underneath it. Now, in the Airstream, because it's so low to the ground, sometimes that's not a problem, but in a campsite like we're currently sitting in, where the back end is off the ground more than the front end is, there's plenty of room to escape under here. And that's where this 32-inch RV step grid comes into play. This thing sets up with this playpen and it goes behind your steps here, fully adjustable, and you can set it up in any way where you can just open the door and they can run out. So I'm going to go ahead and get this playpen set up, and then we'll put up the step grid right here at this door and show you all the cool features. Every time, dog. And that's one feature about, we love her rope and love her to be able to run around, but this dog pen keeps from getting tangled all the time because she is the master of getting tangled. All right, we got 2 wraps around the pole, and we follow it out here, and then we get the fire pit, and then Piper toes, and then 3 wraps around the pole. Piper, how do you get so stuck?
We've been here for 45 seconds.
And these spikes between all the panels have a pointy end, so you can stake it into the ground if you need to. About 3 or 4 inches you can go down. So it makes it much more stable. You have a German Shepherd named Tank. You might need to stake it in. As you can see, the playpen is set up. It takes about 2.5 minutes maybe. Now, taking it out of the box and getting rid of all the trash and all the things in the initial setup does take a little extra time, but typically it's 2 to 3 minutes and you're done. But you can see that I have a gap underneath the steps here, so it's very easy to escape. It's right under here. Not so much for Piper, but for some of you with the smaller dogs, it may be very easy to escape. And if you have the big RVs, the fifth wheels where you're really high off the ground, it's really easy to escape for any dog. So let's check out this new RV step grid here and get it installed. And sorry, Piper, no more escaping. This little grate is your bottom grate. Now this is going to go underneath the steps on the ground, and there's some screws there that you have to put in. Comes with an Allen wrench you need to tighten this down a little. There's number 1. So there you have your now 17th panel go into and underneath your RV steps. Now we have all these extra rods in here. And these are the gatekeepers, if you will. These here go underneath. Snap in place. Now I have a secured area all the way around, and it comes with enough rods to go all the way up. So if you have the tall RVs, we have the hip wheels, we're pretty high off the ground, and depending on the setting for the Airstream, it's really nice. So now I can open my door and I can have a complete fence all the way around and set it up in any configuration. This thing will be a circle, it can be a square, it can be a rectangle, it can be whatever configuration you want based on the campsite that you're in. So really, really neat. This new RV step grid is a really nice addition to the playpen, the 16 panel playpen that we have here. So I'm very grateful for the folks at FXW for sending this out. Thank you very much for allowing me to review the product. And in full disclosure, I did not pay for this pen. They sent me this to do the review on, so I'm doing a review, and I really do like it. All right, if you travel on a shiny object like I have here behind me, and you want to put your awning out, and the ground is higher back here than it is in the front, you don't have to worry about your awning, so it can fit between there and the door. But if you're going to have this door closed, it's got to be slid that way, so it could prohibit the awning use, but that's a Airstream specific problem. And I can still slide it like this. Now, I'm able to open and close my door. And it's between the door and the side right here, so it's not hitting. But I'm able to open and close the door with the screen open or closed and still get in and out. And then this particular campsite, I can still open my awning here. It is a nice wide angle for many different types of RVs. I think this is a perfect size, 32-inch wide panel here for underneath the step. So really, really big fan of this. And again, thanks for the company for sending this out. This thing is like the Great Wall of No Escape, hyper tested, threat approved. It's like Fort Knox without the. It's like Fort Knox without the. Not corduroy. But what I really like today is this threshold. What I really like is this door RV. Because your pet deserves the indenture, not the jailbreak. Because your pet deserves the.